Hello, how are you today?
Not so good, doctor. I feel sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a sore throat and a headache.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
Let me check your temperature. You have a mild fever. I'm going to listen to your chest and lungs. Take a deep breath, please. Good. Now breathe out. I'll check your ears too. They look fine. Let me look at your throat. Say, ah. Your throat is red. You have a throat infection.
I see.
I'm going to give you some medicine. Here's your prescription. You can get it from the pharmacy. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night. After food, it's easier on your stomach. And drink plenty of water and rest for a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Medicine. Prescription. Infection. Pharmacy. Let me check your temperature. I'll listen to your chest and lungs. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Open your mouth and say, ah! I'll give you some medicine. Here's your script, prescription. Take 1 tablet twice a day. Drink plenty of water. How long have you had these symptoms?